Full Flow Tri-Cartridge Filter is the ultimate water-saving option. Designed for larger pools and areas with water restrictions, they require the lowest possible maintenance. These groundbreaking filters house 3 individual pleated filter cartridges fabricated from specially engineered, easy-to-clean polymers. The 3 pleated cartridges combine to create a massive surface area of up to 46 square metres, providing the ultimate dirt-holding capacity to decrease cleaning frequency even further. With the Full Flow, filter cleaning should not be required more than once a year. This is particularly good news for pool owners wishing to comply with water restrictions or dealing with situations where backwashing is simply not practical. When cleaning is required, the new filter's split tank design incorporates an easy-to-use clamp that allows quick access to the filter cartridge. The Full Flow Tri-Cartridge Filter allows pool owners to enjoy crystal clear water no matter what the conditions.